Absolutely. Let's see how the truncated week pans out. But to discuss what are the levels that we need to watch when it comes to the markets, we're now joined by Rajesh Bhosale, who's the technical analyst at Angel One. Hi, Rajesh. Very good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Well, we are just about 40 points away from that 25,000 mark. Do you think today is the day when we will be touching it and holding on to it for the remaining week?
Hi, good afternoon. A decent start for the week. But if we see post opening, we are not seeing any major traction. And since it's a truncated week and it's also a monthly expiry, we expect market to consolidate further. On the lower side, if we see last week, there was a bullish gap left somewhere around 24,800. This level also coincides with 50 and 20 EMA. So bias is positive as long this key level holds. So buy on dip would be suggested. On the high side, if we see 25,100, 25,150 is the high range of golden retracement. So that should be the ideal level to book profit. So buy on dip booking profit at higher levels would be suggested. As compared to this, broader markets are doing very well. If we see mid cap select index, it was up last week around 2%, and today as well, while the key indices are consolidating, individual stocks are performing well. So our focus would be on stock specific approach that would give outperformance.
Absolutely. Consider every dip as a buying opportunity in the market until we keep the 24,900 level. We still have positive conviction, and about 25,100 is where we will think about booking profits. But that level looks far at present. However, the markets, after starting on a decent note, are in a range as we see. Rajesh, hi, good afternoon. Yes, you're right when you say it's a stock specific market. Then what are the stocks on your radar?
So couple of stocks are giving multiple month breakout. My first recommendation is on Pidilite. So Pidilite has been trading in a range where somewhere around 3,100 has been acting as a resistance since last 4 months, and finally today we are seeing a range breakout. Also on the daily chart, we are seeing a flag breakout. So Pidilite can be bought with a stop loss of 3080. The target we are expecting in the near term is 3,200. My second buy call is on Manappuram Finance. On the daily chart, we are seeing a trend line breakout, and on the volume front and on the OI front, we are seeing fresh long formation. Along with that, RSI is crossing above 60, which indicates strong momentum expected in the near term. So with a stop loss of 266, Manappuram Finance can be bought. We expect a strong move towards 290 in the near term.
So those are Rajesh's stock picks. Manappuram Finance with the target price of 290 rupees and Pidilite with the target price of about 3,200 rupees. Thank you so much, Rajesh, for joining us today and helping us understand the levels that we need to watch out for. On that note, we'll let you go. But